Many of you know that last fall we moved from our space on the first floor of our Hampton Lane office building up to new expanded space in Suite 810. We now have windows that have a view, and we have a lovely double conference room space. A number of our clients have experienced this space last fall and through our meetings, and we took a poll of those who had visited and asked them to give us suggestions about what sort of conference room atmosphere they want for their meetings with us. And so we had two clear winners. One we called Central Perk, after the coffee shop in the old Friends TV show. And the other one we called Camelot because it was a round table. So thanks for all the votes for all the different options that we shared with you. And because of the pandemic, we put off taking delivery of the furniture until just recently. So it's been a long time coming, but we wanted you all to see what our new conference room space looks like so that when we're able to meet together again safely, we'll have this lovely space to meet in. So I'm standing in Camelot. We have a round table, chairs with wheels and arms, and they're very, very comfortable. And then behind me, you'll see the Central Perk space, more like a coffee shop, set for a more casual conversation so that everyone can feel comfortable when we're talking about your finances. We hope the opportunity will come that we'll all be safe and be able to come together again soon. Until then, we'll see you on Zoom.